Today in the Dáil I raised with the Taoiseach the impending nurses' strike tomorrow. And in the first instance asked them why it has taken so long for the Industrial Relations Machinery of the State to engage with the nurses in relation to their pay dispute. The government had stood back for far too long in my view. I also pointed out to him that in the modern era, with overcrowding in our hospitals, with higher acuity levels, sicker patients, that the stresses and strains on nursing are very, very significant indeed, and instanced a number of individual cases where nurses have spoken about being worried about missing out on their patients' care, and that the stresses and strains are severe and morale is low. Indicating also that many of our nursing graduates are emigrating, and we're having to recruit quite a significant number in overseas, creating a lot of challenges to our health service. I put it to him that if the Labour Court, if it's referred to the Labour Court, will he give a commitment that the government would honour the outcome of any Labour Court decision in relation to the nurses' pay claim, and that there are creative ways of resolving the issue similar to how the Garda pay dispute was resolved some years ago. So I think it's regrettable that we're in a situation where we have strike action tomorrow. I welcome the fact that cancer patients and dialysis patients will be looked after, but clearly outpatients and many elective appointments will be cancelled. It's imperative that the government now move to make sure that everything is done to bring this to a speedy resolution.